The oil level should be checked after you switch off engine for a few minutes. So that's the best time to check your oil level. So when you check the oil level, just take this stick out and then wipe it clean. Insert this stick into the tube until to the bottom, and then you can take it out to read the level. So in this case, you can see the oil level. The oil level is about 8 millimeters above the maximum. To drain the extra oil out from the engine, you need a 14 millimeter socket, and the drain plug is just a key here. It's the sump, so you can see the drain plug. So we just lose it, maybe just taken out about 200 and 300 milliliter should be okay.